I've selected this little clip out of a video with Kate on Pace and Rate. And what we're working on here is the up, down, and the minute she hits the bubble, I want you to pay really close attention. That's exactly when I'm going to lie her down. I want her to feel when she hits the bubble. She also needs to get out of her downs a little bit slower. So we have her walking forward. We do have it in slow motion here. If she gets up and she walks up too fast, which she is, you can't really tell as much in slow motion, but watch right here. She starts to lift the sheep. That is exactly this distance that I want her to figure out. If you notice, I'm not close to the sheep either. They're not pushing me down. And that's the key here, is I don't want her pushing sheep into me. We're going to continue the video. You can see how she's just hanging off that bubble right there. I lie her down. When I lie her down, you can see that the sheep stopped. We've sped it up here a little bit. Perfect. Nice little down. Let's make sure she gets up nice and slow this time. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. By getting her up and getting her down, we'll teach her a couple different things. One, that she has to get up nice and slow. And two, she's going to be lied down if she comes into the bubble, which is the area that is between her and the sheep. This little zone. If she encroaches too much into this zone, then the sheep are going to speed up and go very fast. And that's exactly what we don't want them to do. So if we stop her every single time that she encroaches in on that bubble, then it's going to help her realize that she's not supposed to rush the bubble. Go ahead and finish what little bit is left here. Nice job, Kate.